Hi, welcome. My name is Jeff, and we're going to go ahead and get started on moving the data, duplicating a cell value in one list column to another list column. This is a pretty simple video. This is something that could be a frustration for you, and once you see it, you'll be like, oh yeah, that's pretty easy. So we're just going to walk through this step by step. There's only a few screens, so stay tuned. We're going to jump right to this. So let's go ahead and paint the picture here. This is a column here that we need. And the reason why we're converting this is because the numeric value, which is not here right now. Let me go ahead and show that to you. Hold on. Add column. Oh, add view. Oh, I didn't know that was there. Okay. Add column. Show columns, and the column we want is ID. Notice this is a default column within this list. So, and you can see it's a numeric value. We need it as a text value so that we can process and use this data to do a comparison to another text field within a Power App. And to do this, we need a text value. We can convert it multiple ways. We could use Power Automate, for example, to convert it, but we're going to do it just really simple by converting it right here from a numeric value. Notice the number right there to a text value. So how do we get there? Let's go ahead and just add another column here real quick. And we're just going to say it's going to be a calculated, but notice calculated does not appear here. So we're going to say show all columns, and we're going to hit next. Now what this will do is allow me to enter in a new column. So I'm just going to put in here AAA as my column, and I want to make it right here calculated. So that's the key. It's going to be a text, single line of text as it appears out to the world, but we want to make it a calculated field. And so here we've gone over right here where you have an ID, and then you have the question ID, which is the new column. Here we've selected the gear and selected list settings. And now there on number 1, we've given it a name. In this case, we've named it AAA. And it's a calculated column, as you can see right there. And then we're going to go down to the formula and hit it equal to ID. And that's all we're going to do here. It's not going to be that tough. But notice here in the formula that ID does not come up. It's not a field. So that's okay. You can just type in ID just like that. And the output we want from this, we want it returned as a single line of text. We can pick any of these. We want it returned as this. We're just going to hit OK. And now you're going to see this is replicated. It's replicating that value, right? And you can see it all the way down. And it's really that simple. Okay? So to get rid of this column, we can just go here, go column settings. Oh, I'm sorry, we have to actually go back into the column. Maybe you can do it from there, but I always go back into the column. There's AAA. You can't really see it on your screen. There we go. There's AAA right here. And to delete this, since we really don't want it anymore, we just spin down to the bottom there, delete, and hit OK. And then that column will be deleted. And then one last thing we'll do to this list, because we don't really need that other information. It's not like we're really using this list that often, but sometimes you just want to kind of tidy it up a little bit. So once that gets done deleting, we're going to go ahead and hide that column. So we're just going to go ahead and go back out to the list itself. And we can say right here, do a click here and just say column settings, hide this column. Okay. Theoretically, we could hide this column too because we really don't need it shown, but we're just going to keep it there just for now, just because. Anyways, that's how you do that. It's pretty simple. This is the key right here. Create a calculated field, give it a name, and then equals whatever the name of the column is that you want to replicate, and you're good to go. Good luck.